Simplify. Do not use negative exponents in the answer. 7x to the negative 4y to the negative 7 times negative 6 x to the negative 6 y to the first power. When we multiply these two factors together, we multiply the coefficients first. So we have 7 times negative 6. Then we multiply the x factors together. So x to the negative 4 times x to the negative 6. And then finally multiply the y's together, y to the negative 7 times y to the first. 7 times negative 6 is negative 42. When we multiply exponential expressions with the same base, we add the exponents. So it would be x raised to the negative 4 plus negative 6. Then times y, same procedure, negative 7 plus 1. This would make our next line be negative 42 x to the negative 10 y to the negative 6. We cannot leave negative exponents in our answer, so we would have negative and then the quotient of 42 over x to the 10 y to the 6.